Hi everyone, I'm going to explain of my minor project Rice Plant Health Checker using IoT. Myself Rana Pratap, my teammates are Tarun Nag Chaudhary and Ramakrishna. I'm going to explain an abstract of the project. Abstract of this project. India is the one of the nation where agriculture is and allied sectors are major employment sources. Maintaining plant health is the most important task in the agriculture based on environment. Soil fertility is the one of the most important feature. Know about the soil fertility and plant extend where to plant with soil moisture. Relying on the just side, it is difficult to plant detect the health condition of the plant. Thus, an efficient plant growth health checking system is required. So we are using an IO. So we are using to know condition of the plant IoT to the system consisting of sensors, actuators of both which provide connectivity to the intent directly or indirectly. In this project we are using sensors, moisture sensor, DTH-T11 sensor and soil moisture sensor to measure the soil fertility and temperature of the soil. In this project we are going to check the health condition of the rice plant and soil fertility using IoT. IoT advanced can be used in smart farming, and the hardware consists of Raspberry Pi, DTH11, temperature and humidity sensor and solenoid waves. Time taken for this project is 3 months, and overview of the project is explained by Ramakrishna, my teammate. Main aim of this project is to know the condition of the rice plant.
Myself Ramakrishna. Today I am going to represent poster presentation of our project Rice Plant Health Checker using IoT. This is an abstract of our project. Introduction. India is land of agriculture. India is one of the country where agriculture is the main occupation of many people. Plant health condition plays a vital role to earn good profit for farmers. Proper monitoring of the health is required at different stages of the plant growth in order to prevent diseases affecting plants. There are existing systems which may not work efficiently to detect the plant health. Therefore, we have decided to do a project on rice plant health checker using IoT. IoT is our domain. IoT is used to connect the devices over the internet. In this proposed system, we use sensor technology to identify whether the plant is healthy or not. The parameters to check the healthiness of the plant are temperature and humidity, soil moisture content, pH level of water. Sensor used to identify the above parameters are DHT11 sensor, soil moisture sensor, pH sensor. That's about the introduction. Methodology. As we know already what are the sensors we used in our project. Let's check what the sensors will do. DHT11 sensor is used to identify the amount of temperature and humidity level present in the atmosphere. Soil moisture sensor senses the amount of moisture content present inside the soil. pH sensor will give the pH level of the water used for the plant. And these are our results. This will, by using those sensor data, our system will focus on the complete health condition of the plant. And these are the outputs of our project. Standards and policies. These are the standards we used in our project. Conclusion. This project is to develop a prototype that is cost effective and to notify the farmers in advance whether the plant is healthy or not. Due to this, it helps farmers to improve the quality of farming and increase the production. Working of the project is explained by my friend Tarun Nag Chaudhary. Thank you.
The pH sensor, it is directly taking input from the soil to detect pH, and we can see the soil moisture sensor, it is also taking input from the soil to detect the moisture content, and these two are connected to the Arduino, and this Arduino is connected to the Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi Zero we are using with Raspberry Pi Jelly OS Lite, and this is the DHT11 sensor to determine temperature and humidity, and this is connected to the laptop. We can see the output in Putty software and as well as Kiny cloud interface. This is the Kiny cloud interface, Kiny My Devices. This is the open source, and we can see the output in LCD screen also, whether plant is healthy or not.